Being a makeup educator and a bridal makeup artist for over 8 years, one question that I always get asked is what is the difference between HD makeup, signature makeup, celebrity makeup, 3D makeup, XYZ, and 10 types of makeup. So here I'm here to explain you. Number one is HD makeup, that is high definition makeup. High definition makeup is nothing but a makeup that really blends into your skin because the cameras are very strong, so makeup shouldn't be really visible. The particles of the makeup shouldn't be differently visible on your skin. Number second is celebrity makeup. What is celebrity makeup? So if you observe, most of the celebrities have this very dewy skin, very natural looking skin with soft smoky eyes and glowy skin. There are few exceptions like Rekha Ji and etc. So in that case, you can just ask your artist to give you that kind of celebrity look. Celebrity look is nothing a basic makeup but with the style of the celebrity that you want to represent. The third type of makeup is 3D makeup. So 3D makeup is one thing that every student of mine is like 3D shikwa hamala, 3D sikhao humko. Bride is like, what is 3D makeup? So 3D makeup is nothing but three-dimensional kind of illusion that we create on the faces. आप जैसे movie देखने जाते हो, if you see, you kind of observe those images are in front of you, but they are not. It's just the illusion. Exactly in the same way we do contouring and highlighting of the face with dark concealers and light concealers in a way that the best prominent features of your face are more in focus, and anything that you want to hide like your double chin, your jawline, extra part on the jawline, your nose, you want it sharp. So we use dark shadows and it creates the illusion of 3D. That means it creates the illusion that your face looks more smarter and more dimensional. Last, signature makeup. So signature makeup is a very recent term that is added in our makeup menu. So what does signature mean? Signature is your personal sign. Exactly that way is an artist. For example, Pearl Hauser is a makeup artist, has one particular style which she replicates on most of her clients. So that personal style of that particular artist is called a signature style, and this is the most common and most used term right now because each one of you brides have this one particular person whose work you really admire. So signature style is that person's style, and that's all for today.